As the aerospace industry sets its course for a more sustainable path forward, Collins Aerospace isn't just envisioning the technologies to help our customers build stronger, lighter, and more efficient aircraft. We're advancing them every day. For more than 80 years, we've supplied and integrated propulsion components and specialty structures for aerospace and defense industries, always looking for new ways to use process and material innovations to provide improved performance and sustainability for our customers. And now, with the addition of Dutch Thermoplastic Components, we're taking the next step forward. Together, we're shaping the future of aerospace, from commercial and military to urban air mobility and beyond. We're expanding our thermoplastic composite capabilities, applying industry-leading technologies for large, complex interior and exterior aircraft structures. By combining our advanced materials and process engineering and innovative manufacturing methods, we're providing components capable of delivering a wide range of performance improvements. That includes improved resistance to heat, damage, and stress, lower cost, faster and more sustainable manufacturing processes, and lower component weights compared to metallic or thermoset solutions, leading to reduced CO2 emissions and a more sustainable path forward for our industry and our communities. Collins Aerospace is revolutionizing the world of advanced composite aerostructures and shaping the future of aerospace.